You wake up in the morning, stretch, and notice those tiny specks of dust dancing in the sunlight. What is your first instinct? Grab a broom, right? But have you ever stopped to think about why brooms are so effective, or where they even came from? Today, we are diving into the surprisingly rich history and role of brooms in modern hygiene. Spoiler alert, they are way cooler than you might think. Brooms may seem like just another household item, but trust me, they have got a story worth telling. From humble beginnings thousands of years ago to sleek high-tech designs today, brooms have been quietly revolutionizing cleanliness. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's sweep through the incredible journey of brooms. So, where did brooms come from? Believe it or not, humans have been sweeping since at least 2300 BCE. Archaeologists discovered evidence of early brooms made from bundled twigs and reeds in ancient Egypt. These primitive tools were used to keep homes free of sand and debris, a necessity in such arid environments. Fast forward to medieval Europe, and brooms became symbols of domesticity, often crafted by hand using locally available materials like straw and wood. And yes, before you ask, witches on broomsticks are part of the lore. While no one knows exactly why witches chose brooms, some historians suggest it was because these tools were readily available and associated with women managing households. Now, let's talk innovation. Over time, brooms evolved from natural fibers to synthetic bristles designed for maximum efficiency. In the 19th century, Levi Dickinson, a farmer in Massachusetts, created the first mass-produced brooms using sorghum grass, what we now call broom corn. This marked the beginning of industrial-scale broom manufacturing. But here's the twist. Despite all our fancy gadgets like robot vacuums and steam mops, brooms remain a staple. Why? Because sometimes nothing beats the precision and control of a good old-fashioned sweep. Plus, companies are getting creative. Think eco-friendly handles, antimicrobial coatings, and even smart brooms connected to apps. Brooms are not just tools, they are cultural icons. In many societies, brooms symbolize renewal and purification. For example, in Japan, the act of sweeping is deeply tied to mindfulness and respect for one's surroundings. And who could forget the famous Quidditch matches in Harry Potter, where brooms take center stage? In fact, brooms have also played roles in social movements. During the women's suffrage movement in the US, brooms became symbols of empowerment, representing the hard work and resilience of women keeping families and communities running smoothly. Ready for some mind-blowing trivia? Did you know there is a town in Texas called Broomtown, named after its booming broom making industry in the 1800s? Or that NASA once considered designing a space broom to clean lunar dust off astronaut suits? Here's another fun fact. The average person spends about 7 months of their life sweeping. That is longer than most people spend brushing their teeth. Makes you appreciate those little bristles even more, does not it? So, what is the takeaway? Brooms are more than just cleaning tools. They are a testament to human ingenuity, adaptability, and tradition. Whether you are tidying up your home or participating in a global cleanup effort, remember that every sweep makes a difference. If you enjoyed learning about brooms, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quirky explorations of everyday items. Got a favorite broom memory or fun fact? Drop it in the comments below. We love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and do not forget, life's messy, but with the right tools and a little elbow grease, you can always sweep away the chaos. Until next time, stay curious and keep cleaning.